how to log in Shein app or how to download and sign up to the Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download, login and sign up to the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, to download it, head over to your respective Play Store or your App Store. Simply search for the Shein app on the Play Store and then make sure to hit the install button if you haven't done so already. Once you've hit the install button, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open it up. Now there are many ways to sign in or maybe just sign up to the Shein app. It's very simple. First of all, make sure to select your location here. Once you select your location, in this case you will be able to enter your addresses, and once you've entered your addresses as well, you'll be able to go ahead and then tap on the go shopping option here. And once you've done that, come to the me icon from the bottom right. From the top you'll find sign in or register button. Once you find the sign in or register, you can choose to sign in or sign up with your email address, or if you have your account linked with your Google or Facebook account, you can also link with those. So since in my case I think that Google is quite easy for me, I'll just select Google account. I'll simply sync in with my Google account over here and my Shein application will get successfully loaded up. This way I can either go ahead and then download the Shein app as well as sign up as well as also log in. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.